ও রঙিন আমায় তুমি রাঙিয়ে দাও, পলাশের রঙে রঙে মাতিয়ে দাও। যে বাতাসে ফাগুন আসে, রামধনু যেখানে হাসে, যে বাতাসে ফাগুন আসে, রামধনু যেখানে হাসে, সেখানে আমায় তুমি নিয়ে যাও। ও রঙিন আমায় তুমি রাঙিয়ে দাও, পলাশের রঙে রঙে মাতিয়ে দাও। আছে দুঃখ, আছে যাতনা, বেদনা বসন্তে মুকুল হয়ে কেন ঝরো না? আছে দুঃখ, আছে যাতনা, বেদনা বসন্তে মুকুল হয়ে কেন ঝরো না? আধারকে আলোর ডালি দিবে, দুঃখকে সুখ ভেবে বরণ করতে দাও। ও রঙিন আমায় তুমি রাঙিয়ে দাও, পলাশের রঙে রঙে মাতিয়ে দাও। আছে ক্লান্তি, আছে ভাবনা, ভৈরবী তুমি কেন বেজে ওঠো না? আছে ক্লান্তি, আছে ভাবনা, ভৈরবী তুমি কেন বেজে ওঠো না? চোখের কোণে অশ্রুকে মুক্ত ভেবে তুমি গ্রহণ করতে দাও। ও রঙিন আমায় তুমি রাঙিয়ে দাও, পলাশের রঙে রঙে মাতিয়ে দাও। ও রঙিন আমায় তুমি রাঙিয়ে দাও।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and a wonderful Easter weekend to one and all. Annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa, namaste, selamat datang, 大家下午好. My name is Eileen and I'd like to welcome all of you here to the Pulse Amphitheatre for a wonderful bird show. We have lots of birds to show you this afternoon. Look out, everyone. That is Baba, our silver-crested cockatoo. Now he'll be flying round and round the Pulse Amphitheatre, and once he's ready, he'll be flying very low above your heads before landing on my hand. Now cockatoos like Baba can be found in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Baba, would you like to make one last circle? Look at that beautiful flight. Wow, excellent. Very good. Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That was beautifully done. Thank you very much, Sue. Now during the show, there will be many birds flying very close to you, just like what Baba did just now. Would you like that? Well, I'm sure you would, but I'll need your cooperation. If you want the birds to fly close to you, please remain seated. 请坐下. 앉으세요. 호수카르드. And put your hands down by your sides. Do not reach out and touch the birds. Can you promise me that? Thank you very much for your safety and of course for the safety of our lovely birds. Now we have some lovely birds on stage here. We have flamingos, and can you see 5 baby flamingos? Yes, these are baby flamingos. They are only 1 to 2 months old, bred and raised right here in the bird show department. And it takes about a full year before the grey baby flamingo attains its adult plumage. Very cute, eh? Now flamingos, they will usually travel in a flock. So when one goes, the rest will follow the leader. Can the leader lead the way, please? Let's give the flamingos a big round of applause. on the cool weather, yeah? Now Vicky is our great pine hornbill, one of the largest flying hornbills that you can find in this region. Isn't she a beautiful bird? Yes. Now in order for our future generations to be able to still see birds like these in the wild, we all have to play our part to support conservation. Practice the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right, you know it, right? Recycling of paper will enable us to save the trees. More trees means more habitats left for beautiful birds like Vicky. Don't you agree? She's posing for some more pictures. Look at that. Very nice. That's right, Vicky. It's time for you to fly back home. We have more birds to show all these nice people right at the other end of the stage. Off she goes. Great job, Vicky. Thank you. Our next birds appearing on stage have huge bills as well. Wow. But these are not hornbills. These are toucans. Okay, this is a toucan. Where's your friend? I'm missing one toucan. Now this is, oh, there you go. Now these two are Toco toucans. They are the largest in the toucan family. This is Mr. Horn, and this is Mrs. Horn. Husband and wife team. Well, these two birds are quite friendly. Who wants to hold them on your hand? Where? Okay, the young man in blue. Young man in blue. Go to Randy. Go to Randy. People in this section, get your cameras and your videos all set and ready, but do not touch the birds when they are flying close to you, okay? 2 hands straight up. Pretend you're a strong tree with 2 branches this afternoon. I need you to smile, young man. Okay, ready, Mr. and Mrs. Horn? The volunteer is waiting for you. Now will be a good time. What about you? Relax and give him a big round of applause. Keep still, keep still. He has that look of concentration on his face. Well, enjoy the experience, okay? It's not every day that you get 2 toucans on your head. Very nice, Mrs. Horn. How about Mr. Horn? Let's give the young volunteer a big round of applause. Great job. Thank you, young man. Well, it's very alarming to hear, though, the populations of toucans like these, okay, they are declining in the wild due to poaching and deforestation. Up to 130 species of flora and fauna disappear every day due to deforestation. So if you can, support your local conservation program, right? Mrs. Horn, would you like to join us right here on the lawn? Good girl. Okay, who wants to lead the way home? That was fast. Our Toco toucans, ladies and gentlemen, smart birds. Parrots, they are known to gather fruits for their young ones, especially during the nesting on the breeding was collecting parrots. Okay, after all that cheering and shouting, very jovial afternoon, eh? I have a free drink here. Free drink, and this is a coupon. We're gonna get a bird to fly this up to one lucky volunteer up there. Who's feeling thirsty and not afraid of birds? The lady with the cat. Yes, you. Are you afraid of birds, ma'am? I need you to stand up on your seat, up on your bench. Make yourself more visible. Are you okay there? Okay, I need you to raise your right hand to the side, like so. Just raise your right hand. One hand will do. Yeah, in Singapore, this is right. The other hand. Okay, just keep still, okay? It happens to every one of us. Just a little higher, okay? The bird will fly up this way. She will land on your arm. Do not drop it, okay? When she puts the coupon down, and you just hold on tight to it and smile. Simple, right? Okay, let's get Sassy, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Wow! Can you see that beautiful yellow crest? Just like Sunny, she has a yellow crest, and that's how these birds get their name. Sulfur-crested cockatoo. Okay, Sassy, the lady up there. That's right, don't move, man, don't move. Very good. When the bird puts the coupon down, you close your fingers, hold on to the coupon. Yes, that's right, Sassy. She's posing for a picture, eh? Okay, you can come back home now. Yay! That's it, you've just gotten yourself a free drink. So after the show, you go on to the terrace kiosk outside and you exchange it for a free drink. Okay? Thank you very much. One more volunteer. Wow. That was fast. Listen. No more free drinks. This time I need somebody with a $2 note. $2 note. You show me the money, I will pick you. So many people, nobody brought money to the park. Where? Okay. The lady right here. Can you stand up please on your bench? Stand up on your seat please. There you go. Okay. Very excited. She can stand beside you, but promise me she will not touch the bird, okay? Can you help me by folding the money into half 2 times? One more time, make it smaller. One more time. That's right. Hold it to the side, between your thumb and your finger. To the side. That's right. Very good. Keep still, okay? Sassy, just right here, not too far. And where are you going? Hands down, please. Hands down when the birds are flying. Thank you very much. Good girl, Sassy. Come right here. Whoa, here she goes. Whoa. Oh, she brought this gentleman here. When the bird is flying, hands down. Thank you very much. This is what might happen, okay? The birds will fly away. So I hope you understand that. We're going to get Sassy to come up here, and we're going to fly the money back to our nice volunteer. Hold on, okay, backstage. Now after the show, don't worry. Mary, just take a seat first. Just take a seat, okay? Now after the show, oh, is that Sassy? Very good. Okay, Sassy, I was just explaining about you. Sassy, would you like to come here? It's okay. I think she looks really nice up there. That's right. Now, after the show, if you would like to give to the birds, you can. Do not put it into my pocket, but instead you can put any amount of loose change into that box over there, and we will get a postcard of Sassy for you. Okay, let me show you. Sassy, look, this is you. Okay, so she has a star, she has her very own postcard. You can check that out after the show. All proceeds in that box goes to the Wildlife Reserve Singapore Conservation Fund. Right now, I need to get Sassy right down to me on stage before I can return the money. Sassy, would you like to fly down to me? Hello?
The battery says.
Can all of you help me? Her name is Sassy. Can you help me call her name? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.